Let's take a trip to the farm today. Meet the animals, come along and play. The cow goes moo, grazing all day, gives us milk in a friendly way. The pig goes oink, loves the mud, rolling around, it's so much fun. Farmyard friends, so happy and free. Cow and pig, come and see, learning about them, you and me. Farmyard friends, so happy and free. The chicken goes cluck, lays eggs so white, pecking the ground from morning to night. The sheep goes baa, with wool so fine, grazing in the meadow, feeling just fine. Farmyard friends, so happy and free. Chicken and sheep, come and see, learning about them, you and me. Farmyard friends, so happy and free. The goat goes mad, climbs up high, nibbling on leaves, reaching for the sky. The horse goes neigh, strong and fast, galloping in fields, having a blast. Farmyard friends, so happy and free. Goat and horse, come and see, learning about them, you and me. Farmyard friends, so happy and free. The turkey goes gobble, so big and grand, strutting around, feathers fanned. The duck goes quack, loves the pond, swimming around, here and beyond. Farmyard friends, so happy and free. Turkey and duck, come and see, learning about them, you and me. Farmyard friends, so happy and free. The goose goes honk, with its long neck, waddling around, what the heck. The donkey goes hee-haw, strong and stout, helping on the farm, there's no doubt. Farmyard friends, so happy and free. Goose and donkey, come and see, learning about them, you and me. Farmyard friends, so happy and free. The llama goes with a gentle hum, soft and fluffy, so much fun. The rabbit goes hop, with ears so tall, bouncing around, loving it all. Farmyard friends, so happy and free. Llama and rabbit, come and see, learning about them, you and me. Farmyard friends, so happy and free. We've met the animals, large and small, on the